On Pathfinder, if you want to reset the maintenance reminder or the tire rotation reminder, you're going to end up using the buttons on your steering wheel, and then you're going to end up using the cluster here. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the button here. This is your menu button. You're going to press it. You scroll all the way over to this gear that's over here on the right, the far right. Okay. Okay. Then you're going to use the keypad and you're going to go down till you get to maintenance. Then you're going to press enter. Okay, then you can go ahead and enter into the service. Okay, and this one's actually been reset already, and we've driven 0 miles, but the limit is set at 5,000. You can change that to anything you'd like. Okay, so we're just going to go to 5,000, but if you had reached 5,000 miles or 3,000 miles, whatever you had set it for, you're just going to hit the reset and it'll reset it. Okay, and same thing with the tire reminder. Go back in here. Whoops. Okay, we'll go down back into maintenance. We'll select the tire, same thing. Go down and just hit reset. Okay, you can go back, and there's an other. This is kind of like a custom. This one's actually turned off, but you can go and turn it on. I want to set it at a reminder. Like 7,000 miles to do something. Okay, and then if you want to reset that, same thing in there. Well, it's that simple. Thanks for watching.